Joining us today is Dr. Abhishek Saurav, Senior Economist at World Bank, driving policy reforms and economic development globally. To begin with our interview, sir, what are some noteworthy projects that you've led at World Bank and what makes them particularly meaningful to you?
So at the World Bank, we do a variety of projects. I'm personally involved in broadly three types of projects. Some involve primary research, so we try to understand the nature of the problem and diagnose issues with the private sector and why it may not be contributing to the development aspirations of countries. The second is on coming up with policy advice that is fit for purpose and attends to the context of the countries that we work in. And the third is around improving implementation capacity in countries.
So, sir, following up on that, what do you think developing economies such as India, what principles can we follow to improve our industrial and trade relations on a global front today?
I think a lot of good work has happened in terms of improving the regulatory quality as it applies to the private sector. However, we see that at the sectoral level, because competitiveness is at the national level is important, but competitiveness is essentially a concept of the firm level and the sector level. And because it relates to the firm and the sector, there is a great potential in many subnational regions of the country, perhaps also nationally, to focus on sectoral regulations and enhancing them so that investors are attracted to come into those sectors and it is easy to enter those sectors, operate, flourish, and maybe even exit. So maybe I think these are the low-hanging fruits, I would say.
So, sir, to conclude on this interview, is there any piece of advice you would like to give our students who are planning to pursue a career and venture into economics and policy making?
So maybe my quick word of advice is going to be expose yourself to as much new information as you can and invest your energies in these new areas because they are going to have high dividends and pay off into the future.
Correct. So thank you so much, sir, for this really insightful interview. I'm sure this would really help our students who are watching. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Akil.
Thank you, sir.